Part of the reason why you must develop yourself, even if you have money, is because you'll realize that at some point you will get to spaces where your money won't matter, the kind of car you drive won't matter, the kind of house you live in won't matter. What it's going to matter at that moment is going to be your contribution. Your money, your car, your material things are not gonna be your saving grace on the day. So as you are working and climbing up the ladder of success, understand that there are spaces where money is so normal to the point where nobody actually cares whether or not you have it or not. They only care that once you've gained access into that space, how do you contribute to that space? It's not money alone that contributes to that particular space. So we must outgrow this thinking that the only thing that we have as a contribution to society is our ability to make money. Yes, you make money, but there are spaces, there are meetings, there are rooms that require you to add value beyond the money that you have or the car that you drive. You'll get into spaces where you've got one car or 5 cars and somebody has got 100, and it's not even a matter to be discussed. It's about what value do you bring to the room or into society.